Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock a text box in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started the video. First, make sure your document is open in Adobe InDesign. To identify a locked text box, try selecting the text box with the selection tool. If it's locked, you will notice that you can't move or edit it. To unlock the text box, make sure the text box is selected. Then go to the Object menu at the top of the screen and select Unlock. If you prepare keyboard shortcuts, you can also use Ctrl plus Alt plus L on Windows or Command plus Option plus L on Mac to unlock the text box. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.